Hello, today I'm going to show you my Lego gumball machine version 5. This is an idea off of Guitar 91911. So, here we go. I'll give you a 360 view of what it looks like. Alright, so, I'm going to turn around, pop my gumball in. Ready? On the side here, I'm going to take off this piece right here, because it kind of looks connected, but it's not. So, now, I'm going to try this thing with a penny. And try the penny, but this thing is not, can't get anything right here. Alright, so I'm gonna try a nickel. Alright, try a nickel. This thing just popped out. Alright, and you just gotta pull. Out comes the gumball. Alright, I'm gonna show you the mechanism for how it works. Alright, so put it here. Alright, so in the beginning, this is set. And this piece is here so that you can't just reach over and grab it without having a coin. So there's a reason for this. So you plop it in the back, so you can tell it's blocked in the beginning. Now, and then there's a coin tray right here in the back. So, anyways, first, as you can tell, I can't reach any part of the lever because like this is the little thing here and it's blocked by this white piece. So I take it out and it's able to come out smooth out, see? But without a coin, I can't just grab it. And I can't push it forward because there's a piece blocking it right there, that orange piece. Right there. It looks red, but it's actually orange. So anyways, let's try with the penny first. Penny goes through the coin slot. Alright, I get a little pusher. Watch. You push in the coin. My bad. Try this penny. See? Push in the coin. Alright, so you push in the coin. It doesn't really give you enough to grab. So now we're gonna try it with a nickel. And you push in the nickel. There's enough for me to get my finger in between here and grab it. So see, and then all I have to do is pull it out, and out comes the gumball. And then I just put it back in place by just pushing it in. And now I can't get it again because it's not far enough for me to grab it. And so do another, and then to reload it, just put it in the back. So I'm gonna show it again. Penny goes into the coin slot. It just falls through. Right, nickel. Coin slot. It hits the lever, gives me enough to grab. And up comes the gumball. Thanks for watching.